Previously on Exceptional 7.
DIY, unless you make your own pages. So I took off the screws for the 17 Heng album, and it's time for the DIYing. Just a disclaimer, I'm not good at scrapbooking in general, and when I do scrapbook, it's really messy. So we will see how this goes. So my idea is to trace these on a cardstock paper and punch the holes and mimic the cover page, and then decorate 4 to 3 pages for the book, and then we'll put them all together afterwards. And each page will have a different theme. So how I will do that is I already prepared cardstock and I already traced it and punched the holes, so now I have to cut it. Okay, I have finished cutting these out. I have 4 of these, and next I'm gonna score them so it's easier to fold, like in cover page. You see this line, this score line? I'm gonna do that. How do you use this? For the first page, I'm gonna make a plastic sleeve page so I could store the photo card and the bookmark like that. But I'm gonna hold the photo cards with those plastic sleeves you see those photo card collectors have. I did find this plastic album book laying around in my house that I think I can use to make photo card sleeve holders, such as this. And I'm going to try to remelt the plastic so that it could fit to the size of the photo card. Here we go. And what I'm going to use to remelt the plastic, is a curling iron. Let's try this out. Let's see if this will work out. Did y'all see that? It looks like it's working. Oh my god, y'all, look what happened. I burnt it too much. This is the sleeve for the bookmark. It's kind of messy, but whatever, I made it at least. Then the sleeves for the photo card. And then to attach it, I'm just going to put some double-sided tape. Ta-da! I'm done with my makeshift photo card bookmark holder. Wow. And it do be working. It's just a little ugly, but that's totally alright. Well, it works. Okay, that's page 1 done. Second page, I'm gonna do like a bias collage, something similar to this, with my bias, DK, not Woodwin. So I cut out the faces for DK's bias page. I made the face too small. Now I need to cut out more. And this was such a tedious thing to do. Oh my god, I should have made his face look bigger. I print out more and just made his face bigger. Hopefully these will fill up the whole page. Ta-da! Here's the finished product for DK's bias collage page. It's kind of messy and the heads are sticking out because I'm too lazy to glue it, but it makes a cute 3D effect. We're done with that. So the next page, I'm planning to do my favorite track from the mini album, which would be My My, and I already cut out snapshots from the MV, My My MV. I'm just gonna put them in random order, and in the middle somewhere I'm gonna put like a lyrics from the song. Gosh, that looks so random. Oh my god. Whatever. So I'm gonna put a quote right here. This is the most scariest part because my handwriting is really ugly. And I just chose a random quote. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. So this is the finished My page. I'm trying to make it look like the boat is floating on the clouds because that's how the MV was. And it's kind of simple. Yeah, that's that's it. This is pretty random. I wanted to do more of a journey theme. Anything that involved like vehicles or them moving. But I'm not sure. So I just found a whole bunch of concept photos off of Google. And I made this picture in the background. And then let's see how I do from there. I'm just gonna paste these pictures in random orders. Alright, I'm done with the last page, which was supposed to be my journey concept page, but doesn't there's not much journeying going on. This is such a whack page. Actually, all of the pages I made were whack, but this is the wackest. The pictures I printed out were too big, and I didn't want to print more out because I didn't want to waste ink, because I already wasted enough ink for this project. And then the pictures that I chose, they were too bright compared to the background, so I wasn't sure what to do. So this is my last page. Finally, I am done. So these are the 4 pages I made. Here's the photo card and the bookmark page holder. And we have my bias DK or Dogyum or Sukmin, whatever y'all will call him, bias page. And then we have my favorite song from the track list page. Then we have the journey themed page, which is the wackest of them all. So let's put them together in the book. Another idea for the pages you can make is a page themed specifically for each team, because the books are spread out by team. I have finished decorating my 17 Heng album decorating. So let's have a flip through of all the pages. Here was the first page, my shitty photo card bookmark holder. Me. Probably have to trim down these pages because these are sticking out. Then we have my page. Then we have DK bias page. And then we have the wackest page that I've made page. And that's it. That was my decorated 17 album. That's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye. Stay safe.